When Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis indicted former U.S. President Donald Trump and his co-defendants this week, she included a rare and powerful charge. The indictment said their alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election results violated RICO, the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act.
This is the 11th RICO indictment. We followed the same process. We look at the facts, we look at the law, and we bring charges.
The indictment says the defendants conspired and endeavored to conduct and participate in a criminal enterprise in Fulton County, Georgia, and elsewhere. Trump co-defendant Rudy Giuliani made a name for himself as a federal prosecutor going after mob bosses in New York City in the 1980s. Now it is Giuliani who faces a RICO charge.
The RICO statute is a way of incorporating a number of defendants and a number of seemingly different crimes into the same count of an indictment so that you can prosecute the entire scheme as opposed to individual defendants or individual charges in separate indictments.
Giuliani calls the charge an affront to American democracy. Critics call it poetic justice. A law created to target gangsters is now being used to prosecute a wide array of people who allegedly commit crimes together, from teachers to politicians. And perhaps the most aggressive RICO prosecutor in the nation is the one charging Giuliani and Trump in Georgia, the Fulton County District Attorney, Fani Willis. Willis has used RICO before, in 2009, to prosecute Atlanta school managers who systematically cheated to improve student scores on standardized tests. Now she's taking on Trump and 18 alleged co-conspirators.
These 19 people didn't have to sit down in a conference room and all decide, hey, let's overthrow the government, allegedly. But anyhow, they don't have to all agree to the same conspiracy. You can have tacit agreements. And what that means is that you're moving with the conspiracy without actually having a formal agreement.
The racketeering charge is a centerpiece of Willis' case. The 160 acts in the alleged conspiracy take up 58 pages of the 98-page indictment. Now, a jury will decide whether Trump conspired like a mob boss to overturn the 2020 election. Hendren, Al Jazeera, Atlanta.